I'm back with a video on Microsoft Excel. So let's go. So in my previous video, like each student had one subject, and the marks came automatically, and in this one each student has 4 subjects and the marks will come automatically. So I have already made a table, so let's paste it here, and I'll just do some change, like I'll do this. So in this thing we have to make 2 data validations. So let's make in this one, because there are 4 subjects, and here marks, no subjects, because there are 4 subjects. Okay, so now let's go to data here and go to data validation. Okay, so now we'll do list and we'll do source as this. Okay, and the names are come, and then we'll make one more data validation, and we'll do this. Okay, so let's go. So in this one, what we have to extend. Okay, and we have to write marks. Okay, so what the formula is index match. So in my last video I have done VLOOKUP, but in this video I'll do index match. The index match is not a formula together, we have to combine 2 formulas together. So let's go. So this is not so tough. So first let's go, I'll explain, and then so index, it's really easy. So index, it's like it gives you the freedom to go anywhere in the table. So first you have to select the array. You can see the instructions here. So array in simple form, it's a table. So we select the table, okay, and do comma, and then we have to write the row number. So the row number is, like, for example, I want Ranveer's English marks. So Ranveer is in the 3rd row, so I'll write 3, and the column is so I want Ranveer's English, right? So the English is the 3rd column, the English one is the 3rd column. So here I am done, and I'll just do a bracket, and here Ranveer's English marks have come. Okay, so let's go. So I have explained index. So now the next which I'm going to explain, it's match. So the lookup value is, like, for example, so I forgot to do data validation so for example I do Ritik and I do his name. Okay, so here I'll go and do match, and I'll press tab. The lookup value is the value, this is a word. So I'll press this, comma, then I'll select this. The index cannot, combine the rows and the columns together. So we have to do differently. Like the rows we have to do different, and the columns we have to do different. It's slightly different from index. So yeah. So we have to select this whole. Okay, and we'll do this. Now the match type we have to do in this formula, and which I'm going to show in every formula which I'm going to show in this video. We have to do exact match, and then we have to close this, and here Ritik is in the 4th row. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's in the 4th row. So now let's go to another one. So now this is the last one, which is the index match. So I'm going to explain this 2 times, and I'll explain this in the description box also. So first what we have to do, we have to take index, and then we have to select the array or the table like this. Okay, comma. Now what we have to do, we have to write match for this. Okay, tab. Now the lookup value will be Ritik first, then we have to do the lookup array, which is this. Okay, and we have to do the exact match, and then we have to close, then we have to give a comma, and then once again we'll write match, tab, and then the lookup value is Hindi, and then the lookup array is here, and the match type is 0. So we have to close 2 times because we have to close the index bracket also. So we have closed, and here Ritik's marks of Hindi are 15. So if I change the subject also, like his English marks of Ritik is 51. So I'm going to explain this once again. Okay, so this is equal to index. Okay, then we have to select the table. It's really easy. Then we have to select the row number. So for the row number we'll do match. Okay, tab. Then the lookup value is Ritik, comma, lookup array is this. Okay, so sorry, not this whole, we have to do this, and the exact match we have to do. Then we'll close the bracket. Then we have to do the column number, which is we have to do again match, and then the lookup value is English here. Then the lookup array is this, and it's exact match, and we close the bracket 2 times, and we are done. So I hope this was helpful to you all, and this was really easy. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and okay, so bye bye, and don't forget to see my more videos and like that. Yeah, so bye, and yeah, bye bye, and I'm going to write the formulas in my description box. Bye.